Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by naming one clear, measurable goal so decision energy isn't wasted. Once stated, remove the biggest interruptions. Silence your phone, close extra tabs, and disable alerts. Then take immediate action, set a 25-minute timer, and start the first focused block. The why is simple: momentum beats motivation. Make sure to commit only to that timer, not perfection, because getting started builds confidence and creates data you can refine in the next steps. You now organize the work into manageable chunks and time boxes so complexity stops blocking you. Once done with the first block, list the next 20 to 60-minute task and commit. This reduces choice fatigue because you only decide one small action at a time. Make sure to batch similar tasks, writing, research, edits, so your brain stays in one mode. Track visible progress. Seeing check marks or a progress bar sustains focus and reveals where to tweak durations or priorities. You wrap up by reviewing outcomes and planning the next step, which turns effort into progress. After each focused block, spend 5 minutes noting what succeeded, what failed, and the very next action you will take. This removes startup friction tomorrow. Celebrate a micro win to reinforce habit. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Reset your environment, perform a 2-minute micro task, or cut the next action in half so momentum returns. This keeps you moving and learning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.